Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. So every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette. I got this as part of the FabFitFun winter box, and in it, that unboxing that I did, I will put that in the description box down below, and that'll tell you everything you need to do. If you go watch that video, it'll tell you everything you need to do to enter this. I also have other giveaways going on right now. I'll put all that information in the description box down below, as well as a really big one that I'm giving away, a Tati Beauty palette, which is what I have on my eyes right now. Obviously I have my own, and then there's one for you guys, 2 separate palettes. Not dipping into yours, haven't even opened the seal, haven't done anything to yours, just for you. So today we are going to unbox the FabFitFun mystery bundle. So FabFitFun is a seasonal box for $49. They have what they call their add-on sale, where you can get stuff hugely discounted prices. I got a thing in the that I picked up in the add-on sale. It was originally 80 bucks. I paid 20 something for it. Really good deals. So this bundle is $29 and you get 4 full-size items in there, and sometimes I've had most of the time I've had really good luck on the mystery bundles. Every once in a while there's a little dud. So let's find out what we got in the mystery bundle for the winter box for FabFitFun. I do have a code for you guys if you want to sign up for FabFitFun, and it helps you out a little bit and it helps me out too. I'll put that in the description box down below as well. I am so excited about this. I've been wanting to try these. So what they are, they're from MyTagalongs, and they are packing cubes. So it retails for $32, so you just paid for the price of your mystery bundle. We haven't even gotten to the other 3 items. There is a small, medium, and large. And it says, packing and unpacking became a cinch. With the set of packing pods, it comes in 3 different sizes. Keep outfits organized and everything in your suitcase compact, made of lightweight nylon and mesh windows. They're also breathable and washable. So this one that everything came in, all folded up in, is a small. It is a 10 inches by 7.25 inches by 3 inches. So great for like underwear bra type thing. Your medium size one is a 12 by 9 by 4. And your large one is a 17 by 12 by 4. I love this. Anything I do to kind of keep myself more organized when I'm traveling, the better. Love, love. I'm super excited about this. So next we have from Sis Moy is a gentle foaming cleansing gel, retails for $12. I do know that they are cruelty free, and it's formulated for delicate skin types. This fragrance free gel cleanser gently washes away dirt and other impurities without disrupting the skin's delicate moisture balances. Its lightly foaming formula contains organic aloe calendula extracts of strawberry, kiwi, and apple to help condition and nourish the complexion, leaving the skin clean and calm and balanced. This is 4 fluid ounces. Here's what the packaging looks like. So I am not big on foaming cleansers. To me, they strip away the natural oils on your face to help keep your face soft and moisturized and everything like that. So this one is going to be a pass for me. From Tazeka Aromatherapy is their Tension Tonic. This is cruelty free. It's our chill pill in a bottle roll on to keep cool and calm and collected. This retails for $44.95. Obsessive worrying, relentless stress, overwhelmed by it all, anxiety can take a big toll on your body, mind, and spirit. I know a lot of people have anxiety around the holidays. You know, hopefully this can help with this. My biggest anxiety that I have right now, oh, see, I'm gonna get all emotional talking about it, is I only have one child. And he is a senior in high school, and all of the colleges that he is looking at, they're not close to home. There's one that's about 45 minutes away. Everything else is 6-hour drive at the minimum, or an hour flight. And so he's my baby, and he's gonna be graduating in May. And anyway, so hopefully this will help with my anxiety. I'm looking forward to this. Oh, this packaging is so pretty. Just put that on like your nightstand. This packaging is really pretty. I think I'm gonna be getting some use out of this. The last product in here is by Basexxcoat. It's their Cleansing Mist. It's 2 ounces, and basically it's a hand sanitizer. Retails for $16, so pretty fancy hand sanitizer. It is an antimicrobial essential oil blended with witch hazel. So it'd be good to keep in the purse. It is glass though, so you want to make sure that you're not shattering anything in your purse. So the full retail value, if I add everything up in this box, is $110. Not bad, thinking you only spent $29 for this box. What did you guys think of this bundle? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell just by clicking subscribe twice, and that way you are notified of all of our upcoming videos. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.